Well, Leslie, you've upgraded your deck, so let's see how much you've grown.
Duel!
I'm gonna use an old deck that you might recognize.
What do you mean?
Well, you lost to this deck before, but if you've really improved, you can beat it this time, right?
That's true.
I activate Junk Converter.
What's Junk Converter do?
Oh, you don't remember. He lets me add one Synchron Tuner from my deck to my hand.
God, okay.
And then I activate Tuning.
Tuning! What's that? Oh, I just got that card and dismantled it.
What?
Oh, because it doesn't like work for my synchro deck.
It has to mill something
I
good.
don't have a synchro deck.
Okay, perfect. Then I summon Junk Synchron and activate a special ability to bring back Junk Converter.
It's already happening!
Since I brought back a monster from the grave, I can special summon Satellite Synchron in defense mode. And then I summon TG Hyper Librarian. It's time, Leslie. It's time to see if you've improved enough to beat this deck.
Oh, dear Lord.
Wait, why are you freaking out? You've upgraded, right?
Yeah, surely.
Oh, well, what do you mean, Shirley?
1 second.
Okay, well,
Can I summon
bring back
Samsara and
Stardust
tribute
Synchron.
Samsara immediately?
And then I activate Monster Reborn.
Oh, what?
That's right, and I bring back Junk Converter. All right. And then I Synchro Summon again for Stardust the Charged Warrior. This is it. This is it. I don't know if we have Quasar. We need a lucky draw here.
This
We
is
actually
the first
need
turn.
a lucky.
Can you chill?
What's up?
Can you relax? It's the first turn.
Yeah, I'm relaxing.
You're summoning.
And then I draw 2 cards because of TG Hyper Librarian and Stardust Charge Warrior. Well, that's a lucky draw. Since I got Caligo Clawcrow, I can special summon it in defense mode. Okay. And then what do I need here? This is it! I activate Stardust Synchron's ability. By tributing Satellite Synchron, I can summon him in attack mode. And I activate his ability, which lets me bring Stardust Illumination to my hand. I activate Stardust Illumination, put 1 card from my deck to the graveyard. But that's not all. I activate Stardust Illumination's special effect, which reduces one of my Stardust cards' level by 1. And I choose Stardust to Synchron. And then I special summon Axel Synchron. Okay. This is it. Is this it?
He's still going. He's still fusing monsters on his first turn.
All right. And I draw another card. Wait. If both of my Stardust Synchrons are used, then that means I can't reduce this level to 1. Which means I won't be able to summon the monster I need. I only can reduce it to level 2. Alright, plan B. Okay, I can send 1 card to the graveyard to make Axel Synchron down to a level 2 tuner, which isn't perfect.
Are you bringing out the Quasar on the first turn?
I don't think I can, but I can do this. By combining those 2, I bring out Power Tool Dragon.
That's the 4th fusion on the first turn, you nerd!
Power Tool Dragon's effect lets me show you 3 different cards, and I get 1 of them randomly. Well, actually, they're 3 of the same card, which means no matter what, I get Living Fossil.
Which one should I do? This one! Surely!
What? Wait, you have something?
No, I just tell you. I picked one of them.
Oh, well, yeah, they're all kind of the same card.
Yeah, living fusion. I'm munching on the...
Anyway, I activate Living Fossil,
their sugar.
which lets me bring back Junk Synchron. But that's not all. Since I have Doppel Warrior in my hand, I special summon him from it since I brought something back from the graveyard. And this is where it happens. I activate another Synchro Summon to Synchro Summon Junk Speeder. This is it.
The 5th fusion.
This is it! I've done it! Okay. By activating Junk Speeder's ability first, and then activating Doppel Warrior's ability. Wait, is this it? Alright, 1 token. 2 tokens. And then
Sykkuno!
I'll special summon.
This is your first turn.
What's up? Oh yeah,
This
hold on.
is
I'm
your
almost
first-
almost done. Almost done.
Finish, yep.
Yeah, almost done. And then let's see, who else can I summon here? Running out of moves. Actually, running out of moves. Wait, if I summon this, can I? Now this is all I got left. Formula Synchron. Face up in defense mode. This is so bad. This is really bad. If only I had Stardust Illumination left. Okay, what can I summon? All right. This is what I gotta do. Formula Synchron and Doppel Token combine, which gives me Martial Metal Marcher.
Run the clock. What is Martial Metal Marcher? 2200
It's
defense.
another Synchro monster, and its special ability lets me bring back
Please time it.
another Synchro monster. And this time I'm going with...
What is this? He's such a nerd.
Let's
What
see.
is any of this? Who understands?
This time I'm going with... another... Wait, is this a bad move?
Just carry on with
We'll
it.
go with another Formula Synchron.
Another one.
Okay. Man, I messed up.
Oh,
I
you're
couldn't
ending.
summon
It's
it.
my turn.
It's finally your turn.
You've summoned 5 monsters.
I wasn't able to get out the monster I needed. It was bad luck. Oh man. This could cost me the whole game.
I will play. 1 second. 1 second. Do I play this card face down in defense mode? And so he this is I actually needed this card. 1 second.
She doesn't have Raigeki.
Don't
or
you
Dark
worry.
Hole.
I just put it face down in defense mode, and then that way
This
he
is
has
really bad
to
luck.
once
I
he
got
sends
such
it
a
to the
bad
graveyard.
hand.
No,
I
face
might
up,
have
face
had
down.
a few misplays in there too. It was really bad.
Face up attack mode. Oh right, because it takes 0 damage. I summon Maiden with Eyes of Blue in attack
Maiden with
mode.
Eyes of Blue.
My great
Oh, no.
maiden. That's correct. Then
Okay.
I'll lay 1 card face down on the field,
There's no way you're ending your turn on that.
and I end my turn. That's what my turn will look like.
All right. Well, it's my turn. I draw a card. Okay. Here's how it's gonna go. We've got to get out another 5-star Synchro monster. How do we
Is
do
that
it?
really necessary, though?
Okay. I know exactly what to do. I activate Junk Converter, which lets me discard Fleer Synchron to add another card to my hand. And I'm choosing
God, which card?
Junk Synchron, everybody's
Oh.
favorite. But it's not over yet. I special summon Shooting Stardust Dragon. Regular Stardust Dragon, sorry.
Not the Quasar yet, please.
Okay. This is it.
What is that?
Stardust Dragon. But it's not over yet.
Oh God, it's strong.
Hold on. By summoning Junk Synchron, I activate his special ability to bring back... Who's the best one to bring back here? Has to be... Cyber Synchron, maybe? No, we need...
Is he gonna delete my mirror?
Junk
Force?
Converter
Is he gonna?
in defense mode. And then we special summon
What do these cards even do?
Junk Warrior. Okay, this is it. In face-up attack position. This turn's gonna be a lot
not-
faster, Leslie.
Junk Warrior.
Junk Warrior, and his ability gives him bonus attack. But also,
Bonus
Junk
attack.
Converter's special ability lets me bring back 1 tuner from the graveyard. And I'm
Okay.
gonna choose... Psyburst Synchron. All right. This is it.
Oh, God. What do you mean this is it? Are you about to end the game in one turn?
And then I special summon. Wait a minute. That's not a 5-star. Oh, my God. All right. Well, this is all I can do. Okay. Stardust Dragon and Formula Synchron.
Oh, God.
Combined into Shooting Star Dragon.
Oh, shit. That thing is strong.
The first Axel Synchro of the game.
What is an Axel Synchro?
And then I activate Stardust Synchron's ability. Or do I? Do I? Do I? This is bad. This is bad. Oh, this is so bad. All right. Shooting Star Dragon's special ability lets me attack for every tuner monster I reveal after the first 5 cards of my deck.
He has Raigeki in there!
And I saw 2 of them, which means Shooting Star Dragon gets to attack twice.
You've activated the effect of Maiden of Eyes of Blue.
Which lets you summon a Blue Eyes.
And you've activated my
Mirror
trap
Force.
card. Mirror Force, that's right.
But luckily, Shooting Star Dragon's got a special ability.
What is his
He
ability?
can negate an ability that damages, that destroys my monsters.
Of course he
which means your Mirror Force doesn't do anything again.
He can.
Sorry, Mirror Force. Okay.
Well, it's not over. Oh, shit, it might be over. Oh, shit.
You don't have a Blue Eyes.
Well, the thing is... Blue Eyes! White
Blue
Dragon! But the problem is, you're still stronger.
I get to attack again because I saw 2 tuners.
Should I?
All right. And I'm finishing off Maiden with Eyes of Blue with 2 direct attacks to your life points. You're down to 3,100 health, Leslie.
Oh,
it's as good as over.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. I still have Heart of the Card.
It's probably as good as over, Leslie.
End your turn and allow me to draw.
I end my turn. You've
Heart
only
of the
got
cards.
3,100 life points left, Leslie.
Don't worry.
You've got
this
almost
deck has
nothing
never
left.
let me down, except pretty much every time. But this time, surely not.
Didn't you
Heart
just
of the
upgrade
cards.
it?
Damn it, it's
she
still
get?
not enough.
Oh.
Well, first things first. Okay. I'll lay 1 card. Wait, hold on. I'll lay 1 card face down in defense mode. Then, I will summon Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon to the
Wait,
field!
how? All you did was reveal 1 card.
That's all I have to do.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's a bit weak here, but
Well,
you know what
Shooting
this
Star
card
Dragon
allows
will
me to
take it
do?
out. What?
Once per turn, I get to target one of your cards and banish it.
What?
Wait, not banish it. Destroy it.
Destroy
That's
it?
right. Say goodbye.
You forgot about my ability.
Oh,
I get to
shit,
negate 1 destruction every single turn, which
That is
means
actually so annoying.
Blue Eyes Alternative Dragon does nothing. Not only do I negate it, I destroy the card that tried to do it, which means goodbye, Blue Eyes Alternative Dragon.
You can just destroy the card, banish it. Wait.
Only because you
what?
activated its special ability.
You target the attack. Banish it. You banished it. It's not even in my graveyard.
No, it is
gone?
destroyed.
Oh, okay.
It's my second ability to negate attacks.
Oh shit. Okay.
Well,
all
Leslie,
right, oh god.
if you hadn't activated its ability, I wouldn't have been able to destroy it.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry. I don't have time to read a whole book. Okay. Every time I click on one of your cards, and I'll end my turn. What
all
the
right.
heck? It's appropriate.
It's as good as over, but I draw. Oh my god.
What is it?
Okay, hold on. I've got to think about my move here.
No,
What
you don't.
can I
Just play.
summon?
Just trust yourself. Play.
What can I summon here that will
misclick.
save the game?
Misclick.
I summon Omni Dragon Rotar.
Hot.
which
That
lets
thing
me
only has
tuner.
0 attack and 0 defense.
Well, he's not going to be there long because I Synchro Summon again for Celestial Double Star Shaman.
What is that?
And Celestial Double Star Shaman's special ability lets me special summon up to 4 level 2 non-tuner monsters from the graveyard.
4 level 2 non-tuner monsters? 4!
That's right. Well, I don't have a lot of space.
Yeah, how
So
are you
instead
gonna
of
do
that, I have to go with Doppel Warrior. And then
Awful warrior.
I activate another Synchro Summon to summon Herald of the Arc Light. Okay,
What is that?
this is it.
Oh God, I might be over.
It's
My
what can I
life
do to
points.
come back here? What
Come
can I do
back.
to come back here? This is bad. This is bad.
It's bad. Is it bad?
Okay.
Maybe I am winning.
What can I do here? I need to get back. I need to get back my 2-star tuner, or even the 3, but I don't. What can I do? There's got to be a way to get a 2-star tuner back, and then I can summon the monster we need. Okay, I activate this effect. Stardust Synchron.
Wait, what does it do?
And I sacrifice the Stardust Charge Warrior.
What does it do?
And then I tribute it, which allows me to bring back Stardust Trail. Oh no, I'm running out of time. This. I know what to do. I know what to do. No Stardust Trail. None of that. Stardust Illumination.
What's that do?
Activate my effect, quick. And then... no, stop asking. Stop asking. No. It keeps asking me if I want to summon Raigeki. Raigeki. Jesus. Jesus.
No.
What?
Yes! I won!
I had Raigeki. Oh my God, Leslie, you've improved. You beat my Synchron deck. I even had Raigeki in my hand. One more turn and I would have won. Those upgrades really came in clutch. If I had one more turn, I would have won. I was about to activate Raigeki and attack your life points directly.
I saw, but then,
Okay.
well.
Looks like I'll have to switch my deck.
To the Shadow Realm.
You've improved a lot, Leslie.
Thank you so much, Sykkuno. I feel honored. Now switch out your deck, your losing deck.
Okay. You've defeated the deck that you thought was invincible before, Leslie. You've improved.
Thank you so much.
But now I've got a new deck, too. Oh my God, I can't believe I lost with Raigeki. I was spamming it. All I had to do was attack. I used Raigeki. You had no monsters.
Yeah, you were monologuing a little too
man.
long.
Oh man, you've definitely. I can't believe you beat my Synchron deck.
Yeah,
You've grown so much in such a short time, Leslie.
I seen the victory screen.
Okay.
Duel!
But I won't be going easy this time. I've got a new and improved Elemental Hero deck.
Is it my turn first?
Yep, I let you go first this time.
How do I summon this summon this card from the graveyard or the hand? Oh my God, this is so OP. If a card on the field is destroyed by battle, then special summon this. Yeah, my turn. I'll lay one card face down, and I'll lay another card face down.
Oh.
Then
That's your
I will
whole
lay
turn.
one card face down, and then I will end my turn.
All right.
He kills Samsara.
What it could
Boom.
be. All
Blue
right.
Eyes
I
Jet
draw.
Dragon. Sheesh.
Okay, let's start it out by activating E-Emergency Call, which lets me add an Elemental Hero from my deck to my hand. And I choose Solid Soldier. And then I summon Elemental Hero Solid Soldier and activate his effect to bring out Elemental Hero Stratos. Activate his effect, which lets me add another hero monster from my deck to my hand.
Wait.
And I choose...
Not the Elemental Hero deck. No.
Elemental Hero Avian. And that's...
Elemental Hero Yvonne.
Alright, Stratos, attack the face down.
No.
Surely this thing's gotta
Wait,
be weak.
okay.
Surely. Wait, do you have a trap card or what?
I'm thinking.
She's got a trap card.
No, just attack.
Oh. Okay.
No, my Samsara
Solid Soldier, attack directly.
No!
You still thinking about your trap card?
I activate defense draw.
Wait, why didn't you
That's
do
right.
that before I killed your monster?
Surely I had a reason, surely.
Oh wait, does it not work that way?
No.
All right, well, I end my turn.
All right, my turn now. When a card or effect... Oh. Heart of the cards. Heart of the cards. Okay, I got it. Target one spell.
Still got one more face down. It could be anything. Even a mirror.
I play Maiden with Eyes of Blue in attack
of
mode.
Blue. What if I just don't attack her?
Not an
Yeah, I'll just
option.
not attack her, then what?
Then I'll lay one card face down
Okay.
and end my turn.
All right then.
Sykkuno, this time I have
draw.
received a good draw. Well, kind of.
What do you mean by that?
Well, like, I don't know. It's okay.
I summon another elemental hero Stratos.
Another
Activate
one.
his ability, which lets me add one hero monster from my deck to my hand. And I choose Captain Gold, who's immediately
Captain Gold?
going to the graveyard.
Why?
Because by putting him in the graveyard, I get Skyscraper.
No, that's the field card.
That's right. My heroes gain 1,000 attack every time they attack one of your monsters.
That is
And we'll start out
broken.
with Solid Soldier.
No! My maiden with eyes of blue!
Wait a minute. Wait, even with Skyscraper, I only go up to 2,800 attack. So I can't kill Blue Eyes? Wait a minute.
Well, let me think.
May have miscalculated there.
I
Oops.
activate. Actually, no, it's cool. It's cool. Oh no, I have it. You have activated my Maiden of Eyes of Blues attacks,
Yep.
and you know what it does. Blue Eyes White Dragon.
Blue Eyes White Dragon.
That's right, and he's mightier than all of your measly elemental heroes.
Well, I can still take out this card.
No, please
You
don't
may
do
have
it.
gotten a free Blue Eyes, but that's all you'll be getting.
You've activated
Mirror Force.
That's right.
No
It puts
way.
all of your monsters in attack mode, which is all of them.
That's all of them.
And now, wait, what? 1 second.
This is bad. This is really bad. This is really bad.
I activate.
What is that? That's a new one. Blue Eyes Jet
Blue
Dragon.
Eyes Jet Dragon.
What?
Welcome to the field. Yes, the Blue Eyes Jet Dragon is even mightier than the Blue Eyes White
Oh
Dragon.
my
and
God.
You'll soon see why.
Why is it so
Sykkuno.
shiny? What does it do at the start of the... You can return it to the hand. What?
Wait, can you explain it once you understand it? Hold on. Wait.
Whenever you attack something, you can return one card to my hand.
Damn. Things OP.
If a card is ever destroyed, you can special summon it from the graveyard. Or the hand.
Let's go.
When did you get this card?
Just now.
Main phase 2. Oh, this is really bad, isn't it? Okay, well, there's, if I use this now, I'll lose, well, surely she doesn't have enough to kill me. It's only 6,000 damage. Right?
Surely,
Oh,
surely.
man, this is actually really
Heart
bad.
of the cards, guide me.
Oh, man.
Eh.
I mean, surely she can't just summon another Blue Eyes or something, right? Can't believe you got Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. I've never even seen this card. Seems insane. You can just summon it if anything's destroyed. What? What is she doing?
Finally, I summon
Blue
the
Eyes
Blue Eyes
Spirit.
Dragon.
What on
That's
earth? That's a
right.
synchro.
Yeah,
Neither
it's a
player
synchro.
can special summon 2 or more monsters at the same time. But that means
Oh my
I
God,
can't.
oh my God. Correct.
Oh my god. Sure, her deck is insane.
My first secret
Oh my
summon.
god.
Yes, that's right. The blue eyes spirit dragon negates some your like graveyard effects and stuff, and
It negates graveyard effects.
that's
And
correct.
I can't summon more than 2 monsters.
What's
That means I can't pulverize
Wait,
much.
shit, my bad.
Wait, what are you doing?
I accidentally messed up. I used its effect. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. Can I? Oh fuck. It's fine.
happened?
Well, like.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, but
Oh, that's great. Wow, if you had left that up, I wouldn't have been able to summon anything.
Oh
Wow,
shit!
thank
I
God.
activated its effect, and
Man, I would have been in a lot of trouble if I couldn't summon any monster more than 2 monsters.
Oh, God, okay.
Would have been real
Well, that's fine.
bad for
That's
me.
fine. I enter
And it's in
battle
defense
phase.
position, so
Direct attack. Wait. Hold on. What's
Well,
this option?
I thought I was gonna lose 6,000 life points, but I guess. So what does this guy do then?
Well, he just attacks you directly. Oh, Azure Dragon. Well, this one's pretty cool too.
Dragon monsters. Let's see. Cannot be destroyed by card effects. Oh, so Raigeki won't work on it, is what it's saying. Okay.
That's right. I end my turn.
Wow. Well, thank God that guy that reduces summoning is gone, because that would have absolutely destroyed my entire deck. All right, my turn. Well, I guess it's time for this. Elemental Hero, Liquid Soldier.
What's that do?
And I use his ability to bring back... Who do we got here? Elemental Hero, Solid Soldier. And face-up attack position. All right. Well, it looks like you got a new monster, so let me show you mine. I link both of these monsters to bring out
What's that?
Extra Hero Wonder Driver. You've probably never seen a Link monster like this before, but I'll show you
I
what he
haven't.
does by activating Polymerization. And then I bring out Elemental Hero, whatever this dude's name is. Oh, 1. I'm going to use this too, just because. All right, here it goes.
What's that one?
Elemental Hero Sunrise. And then Wonder Driver's special ability lets me bring Polymerization back. And Sunrise's effect lets me get a Miracle Fusion from the deck. Okay, this is it. All right, Polymerization comes back. I activate Miracle Fusion. Anything that's not a light monster will do it. So let's go forward. One of your favorites. Elemental Hero Gaia. This guy, plus this guy. And I summon him to steal Blue Eyes' attack points.
Oh God! Thing
Alright.
is broken.
Wait, why doesn't his ability work?
Oh,
Can you explain why I didn't get to use my ability to steal your attack?
well, because I can't be. You can't.
I
Target
can't target your
my
monsters with...
dragon monsters with card effects.
What?
Yeah,
So Gaia can't do anything then.
yeah.
And
Useless.
I don't have anything with over 3,000 attack.
Garbage. Can't target my dragons.
Well, you forgot about one thing, Leslie.
Shit. What did I forget?
Skyscraper.
I should have destroyed that
With
card
Skyscraper
last
on the
turn. I
field,
didn't even see it.
I gain
Blended into the
1,000
field.
attack when I'm attacking a monster stronger than me, which means your Blue Eyes Jet Dragon is going to
what?
be gone. Is it gone?
Except you've activated the effect of my Blue Eyes Jet Dragon, which allows me to pick one of your cards and send it back
What?
to your hand. That's right, Sykkuno.
She's insane! What?
That's
How?
correct. Yes!
Oh my god! She's actually crazed! Wait, your deck is so much better than before.
It's strong.
What
now
I
that
do?
I've actually summoned the
Oh
monsters
my God.
I've wanted.
I don't know what I could do here anymore.
Surrender, Sykkuno. You can surrender.
Might just be over. There's really only one thing I got left, and it's not even what I want to do, but
Polymerization.
Okay. Let's okay, let's do this. This is all I could do to try and survive, maybe. Elemental Hero Core.
What? Triple
Oh, man.
polymerization?
Triple Palmerization.
What's it
And
do?
I'll put Skyscraper back just in case, but... This is bad.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Heart of the cards. Guide me.
Okay. I can't attack again with Skyscraper, and if you just keep removing it, I'll never be able to...
I activate the effect
What?
of my Azure Silver Dragon, which allows me once per turn to summon a normal monster back from my graveyard.
What?
That's correct.
Another Blue Eyes!
Another Blue Eyes White
You're
Dragon.
sick! You're sick!
That's correct.
Oh, God.
Wait, actually,
You
hold
can
on.
kill all my monsters.
What am I activating here? Wait, hold on.
man.
Do I
Once per turn during your standby phase, you can target one normal monster and just get it. Oh, man. Wait, what are you doing? What
I
are
can
these
banish
moves?
my Samsara Dragon once per... Wait, one time. Wait, what?
What?
I thought it would come back right now. Okay, hold on. What?
What is happening?
I'm not really sure, actually. I thought that could happen, but I don't think it could happen. Okay,
man, this is so
I
bad.
activate Stamping Destruction. Stamping Destruction allows me to destroy one of your cards and inflict 500 damage to your life points directly. That's correct. God, all my cards are glowing and I don't know what to do about it. It's crazy. Okay, I guess I'll set another card face down. That's right. And then, I
Still
will...
have Blue Eyes.
Okay, then I will, that's right, hold on. Okay, then, that's correct. I will change my monsters to attack position.
Oh, God.
Prepare your booty
God.
hole, Sykkuno! Oh, sorry, that's
Oh, my God. It's all over.
It's over. That's right.
Not the Blue Eyes.
The Blue Eyes White Dragon will now attack you. White Lightning!
No.
Attack!
You sicko.
White Lightning! Attack! Uh-oh. What's that?
Oh, man. But it doesn't matter because no matter what Blue Eyes Jet Dragon attacks, its special ability can...
Send your card back to its
Oh,
hand.
my God.
That's correct. Goodbye to your life points, Sykkuno!
I don't think there's a single card that can save me. The Blue Eyes Jet Dragon is so strong, and there's nothing that beats it. It's just...
Dun, dun, dun.
It just returns any card to the hand. Nothing can kill it.
Nothing can kill it, Sykkuno. It must be banished. That's the only way.
This guy doesn't
But do you have
do
anything
anything.
that could banish it? I don't think so. Why am I telling him that?
This guy doesn't do anything, does he? Oh my God. I get Palmerization, but I have nothing to summon it with. I don't even have Sunrise anymore. It's over.
This
Oh
is it?
God.
Heart
Your
of the
deck's
cards!
insane.
I don't even need this. I don't even need it. This is where it ends, Sykkuno.
Wait, Leslie, you don't have to do this.
I have to do it.
All those dragons against one Blaze Man.
All of it.
Oh God.
Azure Eyes Silver Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon, and Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. Attack Sykkuno with everything we got.
Oh God. You can't even. You're just gonna bring him back to my hand, and he won't even.
He won't even
It's
be
almost
there.
like I didn't play the card at all.
Go!
Oh my God, she's insane. Her new deck.
The deck is insane.
I can't believe it. That Jet Dragon is busted.
It's actually
How many of those do you have?
just one. I just constructed it. It's actually
Oh
busted.
my God, she's
Maybe
getting
two
too
busted.
strong. All right, well, Leslie, I gotta say, I have one more deck.
One more deck. Okay.
So I made a slightly weaker hero deck
Okay.
because I was afraid you hadn't improved that much, but you
What?
have. That was a real win. I mean, listen, I think you're strong enough to face Blau's Magician deck, which is also pretty
God.
juiced.
Juiced magician deck against
All right.
the juiced dragon deck.
What do you think of my new pal, the little dog?
Well, it's really cute.
Yeah, he's attacking the little thingy. I just earned it last night, but this is gonna be tough. I don't know how I'm gonna win this. Your deck's
Duel!
insane. You got synchros and you got everything now. She doesn't hold back anymore.
First things first.
Ooh. Okay.
I will activate the magic card. Bingo machine, go.
Bingo machine. That's
What?
an ultra rare. She's got money, man.
It allows me to pick 3 cards. Hold on.
I know this one, and I
Yeah.
choose one to give you.
Yeah, but you
Just gotta
do you get
choose
to
the
do you
right
get to
one.
pick, or is it random?
Well, they're face down, but I do get a pick.
Okay. So
Man,
should I do
it's
this,
not good for me.
or should I do this? Like, what's, I don't know. Hold on.
What can I do?
1, 2, 3. I get to pick 3 of these cards that fit the criteria, and then you get to pick one of these cards. Then is that right?
Yep. You choose, I think, 3, and I get to choose one to give you. The rest go back in.
There you go.
You chose 2 blue eyes and a jet. Okay, don't give her the jet. Don't give her the jet. Just give her the regular blue eyes, please. Regular blue eyes, please. Was it the regular blue eyes? I gave her blue eyes jet.
Wait, no, you didn't.
What?
I mean, maybe you did. I don't know. But that.
There's no way.
All right.
There's no way.
Hold.
Did I give her the jet?
I lay
Oh,
one card
man.
face down. Then I will
You're so
play.
cooked.
I will play Maiden with Eyes of Blue in attack mode.
not this
And
again.
then I will special summon a little monster.
What?
By showing
Blue-
you the Blue
you
Eyes by
can't.
Dragon, it allows me to special summon.
Blue eyes alternative dragon.
That's right.
Leslie, it's the first turn.
It's the first turn, and I'm
Relax.
not done yet. No, actually, I am done. I think I'm done. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And I end my turn. Your move.
Okay. Full power hero deck. What can we do? All right. I activate reinforcement of army. Which lets me bring 1 card to my hand. It's going to be solid soldier. And what can I even do here? 1 card face down. Do I go for this? I'm going for it.
Oh, no, don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Just relax. I already messed up.
Okay, I could just do this. Elemental hero solid soldier. And then I bring out vision hero Yvonne.
Oh, God, not Yvonne.
All right, this is it. And then I get to send this card to my graveyard. Activating that, I get to bring a card to my hand. And it's gonna be... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do I do it?
Do not.
Do I do it?
Don't do it.
I could do it. I'm doing it. All right. And then I activate Vision Hero Yvonne's ability. Wait, hold on.
Do you have Shadow Mist? Do you
Oh wait, I
have
shouldn't
it?
have activated that. Ah, poop.
Oh God,
Poop.
Shadow Mist is coming,
shouldn't have
isn't it?
activated that. I shouldn't have activated that. That really ruined my move. Well, now I get polymerization, but that really ruined my move.
Good.
Okay, yeah, that did not go
He's-
according to plan.
He's shaking up. He's shaking up.
Well, I just end my turn then.
Well, that's fine. It's my turn then. Heart of the cards, guide
Not
me.
supposed to get that card, but I thought I needed it, but that...
Where's my extra deck?
Well, surely she won't kill anything next turn, right? Surely.
Why can't I summon the Azure Dragon yet? Hold on, 1 second.
Yep. Oh,
How come
okay.
it's not letting me summon the Azure Dragon as an option here? It should be the same thing. Azure's level 8?
Oh, man. Okay, well, I still got a secret weapon, so,
First things first, Sykkuno. You've got 2 magic cards and trap cards I don't really like on the field.
Okay.
Harpy's
gonna
feather
do?
duster is gonna wipe them away. First
Harpy's
things
feather
fir-
duster. Well, in that case, I activate one of them.
What?
Super polymerization.
Super polymerization.
By discarding one card, I can fuse my monster with your monster.
I'm sorry, what?
That's right.
What?
And I'm going with... Let's give it Elemental Hero the Shining.
You're fusing.
And I'll take your blue eyes.
You're actually sick for doing that.
All right.
Huh?
Super polymerization. Now your blue eyes is gone, and I have Elemental Hero the Shining. Now what do?
I lay one card face down,
Oh,
and I really don't have anything I can do, and I have to end my turn.
all right. Oh. Well, this is even better. Elemental Hero Stratos. And I activate his ability. Normally, he lets me add a hero to my hand, but he's got another ability that I don't use too often. For every hero on the field, I destroy a magic or trap card.
What?
That's right. Okay. Now this still leaves a small problem of Maiden with Eyes of Blue. But let's give it this. All right. Yvonne, Stratos, and even the Shining go away to summon the greatest hero, Destiny Hero Plasma.
What's that one do?
All right. And then I activate his effect. He lets me steal attack from your monster, but your monster has 0 attack.
Right.
But that's not all he takes. He takes the whole monster. Wait, what? No way it works like that. What?
What?
You still got a blue eyes.
No, I don't think so.
Oh my god, I just realized I targeted it with my Destiny Hero Plasma.
No, but look, your card says negate the effects while you control
it
I don't
negates
get
your
it.
effects.
Yeah, I don't
Oh,
have
I
the
forgot
effect.
how OP this guy was. He's not very strong, but there's nothing you can do against him.
Jesus, what is that? It takes my monster
All right,
and
Plasma.
negates the effects of
He
it.
steals your monster and negates all of them.
Heart of
I've
the
actually
cards.
never used this card
Please.
before, but there's nothing you can do now. You have no monsters with special effects that can do anything. Even Jet Dragon can't do anything against him. Wait, can he?
I lay
maybe
one
he
card face down and I end my turn. There's nothing I can do.
Okay.
This isn't bad. This thing attacks this,
I draw.
and I get to have a.
And it's a bad draw, but
I can get it. I can get it. This is fine. I said it. He
I only
attacks it,
grabbed
sends it to
one?
the graveyard. I
I
special
only
summon
can grab
Blue Eyes
one
monster.
monster?
I summon
why did I grab this guy?
Blue
That's
Eyes.
zero
Can I
attack.
summon Blue Eyes
I
Jet
should've
Dragon?
just killed it.
Look, you can summon one Blue Eyes monster.
Well,
Jet Dragon? Jet Dragon?
Yeah, that didn't really. Well, this is just okay. Well, I'll draw a monster next turn, and you'll start dying faster. I mean,
You've
you can't.
activated!
What? What do you mean I've activated? Blue Eyes
Yes,
Jet
this
Dragon.
allows- Correct.
What?
This one. The card
From where?
allows me from my deck, you fool. Oh, sorry. From my deck. Heart of the cards, guide me.
No. Destiny Hero Plasma.
That's right. Hold on. Can I read some stuff?
Oh no.
Hold. So.
Wait. All his effects are negated. You can't bring them back to my hand.
The effect of White Stone of Ancients allows me to banish it.
Okay.
Wait,
what? does that
what? And then, hold on. But I don't have... Can I... Oh. And then, I will special summon onto the field Blue Eyes Alternative Dragon.
Another Blue Eyes.
Yes, that's correct. I showed you the Blue Eyes in my hand.
Okay.
And now, hold on.
Well, his effect doesn't work because I have Plasma out.
Yes, but once per turn, I'm allowed. This works. Oh, no.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, it
and
doesn't
try.
work. No face-up effects work.
Yeah, so the.
Well,
work,
surely this'll
but-
work. Regeki!
Right, Geki!
That's right. Destroys all your monsters.
Oh my god. Oh my god, she's got 2 blue eyes.
And you are getting attacked directly.
This is so bad. This is so bad.
White dragon.
I can't believe
she
she defeated Plasma.
directly attack his
Plasma's
life
supposed to be
points.
unbeatable. Oh man, this is bad.
Oh, I can't attack. I think I'm done. Yeah, I think that's all I get to do. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he can't attack if he uses his ability.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair.
Used it and technically did nothing with it. You could have just not used it, but it's fine. I'll take it
that's
because
fine.
I need the life points.
I can't use his effect.
Okay, what more can we do here? Monster Reborn. To bring back Elemental Hero Stratos.
No.
This is the only play I have left, but I don't know if it'll be enough. I activate his ability to add one hero from my deck to my hand.
Okay.
And I bring back... Liquid Soldier. I bring back Liquid Soldier.
Liquid Soldier, what's that do?
And I summon him, and his special ability lets me bring back something from the grave. And I choose Solid Soldier. Alright, maybe this is still possible.
What does that do?
Okay. Guess it's about time. Wait, let me think.
Yeah, you take your time.
What does this guy do again? Destroyed by card effect at the start of the damage. Okay. Well, we're gonna do the only thing I can. I hope this is the right move. Okay.
What's
All
that?
right. I link summon Extra Hero Wonder Driver. And then I activate Polymerization. Okay. Solid Soldier plus Blaze Man to bring out Elemental Hero Sunrise.
There's no way you can beat me, Sykkuno! It's still a measly 2,500 attack.
But
He's gonna fuse them again. He's gonna fuse them again, isn't he?
this would do it.
What?
This would do it. Oh my god. I didn't know that was a
What?
possibility.
Why do you sound so confident?
Hold on. No, it won't.
Oh,
No, it won't. I don't have the shining in my... I don't have the shining anymore. I can't. I have to go with this. I don't have the shining, which means I don't have a monster to turn it into. So I'm going to use Solid Soldier to bring back this guy.
okay.
And then this guy gives me Miracle Fusion.
What is Miracle
Okay.
Fusion again? Oh no,
Lets
what's
me
that do?
Fuse from the graveyard. Stratos comes out. Polymerization goes here. Can't activate it. That's bad. Miracle Fusion time.
Oh,
There's
no.
only one thing I can think of that's going to carry me. Elemental Hero Absolute Zero.
Absolute Zero?
Okay. And I summon him in face-up attack mode. All right. This is it.
Oh my god!
So it looks like I have a lot of attack, but here's the thing. If I attack you, your Blue Eyes Jet Dragon still brings one thing back to my hand. So why don't we stop that from happening by Polymerization again? And what I'm bringing out here is going to be Elemental Hero Great Tornado. I'm going to fuse Absolute Zero with Liquid. And then, since Absolute Zero leaves the field, all of your
Absolute
monsters go away.
What?
After I reduce their attack into half. All right, so when Absolute Zero leaves the field, even if he's pulverized, your monsters die anyway. Wait, this thing didn't die.
My.
All right, so this is looking pretty good. Let's go.
They can all attack?
It's time. All of them. Wonder Driver attacks Blue Eyes.
No,
But here's the thing. I have another special ability. Sunrise can destroy one monster on the field, and your Blue Eyes is gone. What?
Blue-Eyes Jet Dragon returns! That's right.
But
That's right.
how?
The effects of Blue Eyes Jet Dragon allows me, he can't be destroyed ever. Well, he can, but can't really. Yeah, that's right. You activated my effect card. Yeah, you're doomed. It's screwed. You're over. Done.
Wait. What? It just comes back like that?
It just comes back. That's right.
And this is all I could do. There's nothing else I got.
And I activate its effect to send your elemental hero back.
Oh my god. What can I do here? That's insane. It's too strong.
Oh, it's because you destroyed the other.
What do I do against that thing?
Heart of the cards,
And you
guide
only
me.
have one of them in your deck. Imagine if you had 3.
That's true. I'm too strong.
It's insane. There's nothing I could do. I did all those combos and there's just
Nothing.
nothing.
Hold. If this card battles, you can target one card. So what if I target this one, attack him, and then send that card back, and then... Oh, wait, no. But then... I'll send that one back, and I'll damage this one. I enter battle phase!
Oh god.
Blue Eyes Jet Dragon! Attack! Extra Hero Wonder
Luckily
Drifter
for me,
Driver. Oh, God.
Sunrise has a special ability too. When he's battling, he destroys one card.
Oh.
You made the one thing that cost you your only defense.
What?
I couldn't have attacked you no matter what I did. But since you attacked me, and Sunrise's special ability is when any of my heroes battle, I destroy one card, that means Blue Eyes is gone.
But did you anticipate...
What?
Dark Hole!
You're kidding me!
Destroying all the monsters.
Dark Hole!
Correct. And welcome back. Wait, what? Oh, welcome back. Blue Eyes
What?
Jet Dragon!
What kind of busted card?
He's unkillable,
That's insane.
Sykkuno. He's unkillable.
How do you beat this card?
You can't.
Oh,
Say
of course
goodbye.
I get this thing.
Oh.
Of course I get this thing now when it's useless.
My Blue Eyes Jet
That's
Dragon is
insane.
immortal, Sykkuno.
I don't know how you beat this card. Anytime something's destroyed, it just comes back.
Heart of the cards, guide me.
Oh man, what card even beats this monster?
I'll activate the effects of Bingo Machine Go!
Oh really? Of course you need another Blue Eyes.
I mean, I don't really know, like,
Well, I sure hope I don't give you true light.
Pick a card.
Oh no. Is it over?
It's not over, Sykkuno. But I will be attacking you. Blue Eyes! White Lightning Attack!
Oh god. Blue Eyes Jet Dragon is just too strong.
And that card can go back
what
to your
you can do
hand
to
as
beat it.
well.
Oh my god, even while attacking directly?
Correct.
Jesus.
Anytime.
I'm not sure there's anything I can do to win anymore. What even is there?
Heart of the cards, Sykkuno. You're really
That
gonna
doesn't do
need
anything. I think it's over. The Jet's just too strong.
it. Jet is actually too strong. I didn't even know it was gonna come back.
I don't know what I can do against that.
Broken AF. Okay. Heart of the cards, guide me.
So I can't kill it because it brings the card back to my hand.
I don't have any.
And even if I do kill it, it just
normal
comes back
monsters.
anyway. What do you do against that?
I don't
you
have
kill it, it comes
anything.
back.
Any normal
And
monsters.
if you try and have more attack, it sends you back to the hand anyway.
Normal monsters, normal monsters, normal monsters. I can't. Well, I think this is it, Sykkuno.
Yeah, I got absolutely nothing. There's
Your last word, Sykkuno!
one turn.
One turn? That's your last words?
Yeah, I mean, Leslie, I can't beat Jet Dragon anyway.
It's
I mean,
true.
Even if I kill it, it comes back. If I battle it. Oh my god, that card's insane. I don't know how you beat it.
It's too
It just
good.
keeps coming back. And even if it doesn't come back, even if I have more attack, it'll send it back to the hand.